Hangle Lim literally translates as lover's dance, an aesthetic and emotive dance of the zeliang tribe. It is best known for its love for singing and dancing. This dance is performed at various social events and on festive occasions.
On the right, we have the Cham cultural troupe getting ready for their performance. While the zeliang cultural troupe are dancing and singing, the Cham cultural troupe are clearing the field. The men and the women folk will come together to work in the field. While working in the field, they will sing songs together. Forgetting how tiresome their work is, they would sing and have fun while working in the field. The dong is a very versatile tool. The men folk would cut clear the field. They would remove the weed. The Cham tribe are preparing for the sowing season. They would come together as one, clear the field, work together as a unit. In this process, they would sing songs together. On the left, the zeliang cultural troupe are performing a folk dance. This folk dance can be translated as the lover's dance. After a hard day's work, the men and the women folk would go back home.